So today we have the Silver Bullet Euro USD setup that I want to journal. Now, as per the expectation, as per the analysis last night, I outlined that there was a possibility where we want to see this session and also the daily open in here in a discount. Okay, if we see a discount open, I would be expecting a raid on these sell stops and then a shift higher. Obviously, as you can see, we had that exact move play out as outlined on the last night's analysis video. Obviously the order blocks, as you can see, the bodies are closing above the order block and the volume imbalance and this old fair value gap I've left here as well. But then more precisely, the silver bullet that I want to focus on, yes, there's two actually. There's the London one, which is right here. So remember, the London silver bullet is between 8 till 9, okay? So that falls roughly in this area. So 8 and 9, actually, that's quite exact. That's not roughly. There you go. Silver bullet, quite easy. You got 3 drives pattern going for you here that you can use for analytical purposes. And if you go on a 5-minute chart, there is some level of SMT going on here as well, especially with oh, hang on, actually. So swing high, swing high. Ah, okay. No, yeah, no, there's not really strong SMT, right? Well, unless you see this high, but that's not really significant. We're looking at this one here. But regardless, there's a 3 drives pattern, Euro USD. Shift higher, market structure shift here, fair value gap here. You could take an entry here. You'll need a stop loss at least below the bodies here. And then obviously you can target the Monday's liquidity, equal highs. And then obviously the fair value gap SIBIs. But if you go in your New York, got a few examples here. We had this, I was expecting the high of the day to be taken out and then a reversal. As I saw that the London wasn't really giving us much of a pullback, we were just expanding higher, higher, and higher. I really like these 3 drives here multiple times. Attempt to go lower, failure, attempt to go lower, failure. That kept on bringing in new sell stops, people trying to sell this and just getting stopped out. So that was already taking the buy side liquidity. And then obviously time of the day aligns up with the fact that we've taken the previous daily high, shifting lower, 5-minute time frame. This is your market structure bearish shift. You could be aggressive and go for an entry here. I didn't take that. I was actually waiting for a more conservative entry. And then we got this around here. That was the entry here. And then my stop was up here. 10 pips, around 10 pips. Okay. And then this was the first partial intended, but price was just hanging around here. And then obviously the silver bullet time zone starts. And then we do one last rally, and that actually was a clear SMT divergence, as you can see on your DXY chart. Okay, which is right here, as you can see. It's staying within that balanced price range, fair value gap on top of that auto block here, as you can see. And then obviously you have that rejection there. And then obviously we target the sell side, liquidity below these two relatively equal lows. And this is where we're closing. So that's the silver bullet for London. That's the silver bullet for the New York session. Thank you for watching.